Various benefits of virgin coconut oil as known as VCO. Coconut oil generally gets a stigma because it contains high saturated fats. However, there are actually many benefits of coconut oil, especially the type of coconut oil called virgin coconut oil. Unlike vegetable oils, coconut oils containing 92% of medium-chain fatty acids can continue to be absorbed through the intestinal wall as they arrive at the gastrointestinal tract. This process is faster because without going through hydrolysis and enzymatic processes. Furthermore, directly supplied into the bloodstream and directly carried into the liver to be metabolized. In the heart of the coconut oil is processed into energy only, not cholesterol and fat deposits. Energy is used to improve the function of all endoktrin glands, organs and tissues. Coconut oil can be used on various foods or used to beautify hair and skin. Here are the benefits of coconut oil for health. 1. Lauric acid. Coconut oil contains almost 50% lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with various health benefits. Breast milk is another important source of lauric acid. 2. Antimicrobials. Because of the high content of lauric acid, coconut oil has antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. The body converts lauric acid into a monolaurin responsible for the destruction of the virus. Coconut oil is also believed to slow the growth of the virus in HIV/AIDS patients. 3. Immune system. Lauric acid found in breast milk helps babies fight infections. Lauric acid in the coconut oil is also able to strengthen the immune system so that the body is more protected against disease. Because the adult diet is generally low in lauric acid, coconut oil is an easy and powerful source for boosting the immune system. 4. Good cholesterol. Coconut oil can lower bad cholesterol levels while promoting an increase in HDL or good cholesterol. A 1980 study by Dr. Hostmark showed that mice that ate 10% coconut oil resulted in less bad cholesterol and more good cholesterol than rats whose diet consisted of 10% sunflower oil. 5. Super antibiotics. The effect of modern medicine is the emergence of strains of bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics. A 2005 study by Georgetown University showed that lauric acid in coconut oil was able to treat bacterial infections in mice better than ordinary antibiotics. 6. Good for pregnant and lactating mothers. Advise parents old age to consume coconut oil. There is truth because coconut oil has a remarkable content. In addition to killing various harmful microorganisms of MCFA, lauric acid, caprylic acid, capric acid, oleic acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid. Acids in coconut oil also provide the energy needed when the baby is born. Some experience says that the consumption of coconut oil during pregnancy gives a very good effect for the baby. Not only when in the womb the baby is healthier, but when born the baby is clean and healthy. In addition, coconut oil makes milk production becomes more and more quality. 7. Maintain heart health and blood vessels. Research shows the relationship of heart disease in blood vessels and viral bacterial infections that will lead to the formation of plaque in blood vessels. Because coconut oil is antibacterial virus, it can help prevent the formation of plaque by killing microorganisms p-induce plaque. In addition, one cause of heart disease is high blood cholesterol levels. Cholesterol buildup caused by excessive consumption of fat in the daily menu so that the excess is stored in the body. In coconut oil there is MCFA that is easily metabolized to produce energy not dumped as body fat. In addition, routine consumption of coconut oil also prevents the occurrence of blood coagulation due to platelet aggregation and prevents the occurrence of narrowing of blood vessels, atherosclerosis. 8. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a degenerative disease due to lack of calcium, so bone becomes porous. Osteoporosis can be caused by oxidized free radicals in the bone formation process. Free radicals can be overcome by the saturated fat content contained in the coconut oil. Coconut oil fatty acids act as antioxidants, thus protecting bone from radical-free bone destruction. One of the antioxidants in coconut oil is the sterol compound. This substance is like fat and is useful in the formation of pregnenolone. As for its function, among others, to produce progesterone for women. For women, the availability of progesterone is very important because the imbalance of the amount of progesterone and estrogen will cause osteoporosis. Consumption of coconut oil also goods that help the process of absorbing minerals essential for bone, that is calcium and magnesium. 9. Diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is also known as diabetes. Symptoms of diabetes usually occur due to accumulation of glucose in the blood, so issued with urine. In this condition, the production of insulin from the pancreas decreases so that the metabolism is disturbed. This causes glucose cannot enter the cell, so the blood glucose concentration increases. These glucose deposits cannot be utilized to produce energy and are ultimately discarded with urine. Insulin functions to convert glucose into energy for cells. Blood glucose cannot be directly used as energy, must be transferred first into the cell through the process of oxidation in the cell. In addition, insulin also converts glucose into reserve energy, glycogen and fat. If abundant blood glucose is converted into glycogen and stored in the liver and muscles, while fat is stored in fat tissue. MCFA content in the coconut oil is able to stimulate the production of insulin that helps the process of glucose conversion into energy for the cell. In addition, coconut oil does not require insulin to be burned to produce energy, so it is very beneficial for people with diabetes who have experienced insulin body deficiency. At the time of burned coconut oil also burnt glucose and fat that had been buried so that blood sugar levels are relatively normal. 10. Liver virus. Hepatitis is a virus that has a fat envelope on the outside so difficult to be penetrated by the drug. The medium-chain saturated fatty acid structure in the coconut oil has a structure similar to viral fat sheath, so the coconut oil can penetrate and kill viral hepatitis. In addition, coconut oil also prevents damage to liver cells due to free radicals caused by viruses, drugs or alcohol because it has an effect as an antioxidant. 11. Cancer. Because coconut oil has antibacterial effect, then white blood cell is available enough to destroy and inhibit cancer cell growth. Animal studies have shown that coconut oil inhibits cancer cell growth, causing colon and breast cancers. In addition, coconut oil has antioxidant properties that prevent the formation of free radicals, trigger the onset of cancer, and coconut oil helps boost the immune system to help the healing process. 12. Helps lose weight. MCFA in the coconut oil can directly enter the bloodstream and convert it into energy, so it is not dumped in the body. When the coconut oil is burned, it also burns long-chain saturated fatty acids, LCFA, so that the stored fat becomes reduced and the weight will fall. In addition, coconut oil also gives energy quickly so that cause full satiety and not feel hungry until the time to eat. The process of combustion and body temperature becomes higher so that increased body metabolism and burning body fat reserves. 13. Add stamina. When the immune system declines, the body experiences physical fatigue characterized by weak muscles, headaches, fatal infections, fever, extreme fatigue and swollen glands. Coconut oil gives rapid energy and increase energy and boost the immune system so the body can recover itself. 14. Maintaining health skin. Coconut oil contains a natural moisturizer and helps keep skin moist and well used for skin that is carrying, rough and scaly. Coconut oil contains medium-chain saturated fatty acids that easily enter the deep skin layer and maintain elasticity and elasticity of the skin. Coconut oil is an antifungal and natural bacteria that helps prevent and treat skin infections, including skin fungal infections, eczema, ulcers, acne, and others. 15. Maintaining hair health. Because small coconut oil molecules can then enter the hair shaft and maintain protein levels in hair and make hair more luminous and healthy. Coconut oil contains a natural moisturizer that keeps moisture and prevents dryness of hair. Coconut oil has an antifungal effect, so it is good to prevent and treat dandruff due to the growth of P. ovale fungus on the scalp. Initial reaction if you consume coconut oil. Usually the initial reaction when consuming coconut oil in the form of stomach to heartburn until diarrhea. However, consumption should be continued by reducing the dose, and as time goes on this reaction will decrease and disappear. It is recommended to consume coconut oil regularly, minimum 1 month to see the positive effect.